What do you have at your dealership that's under $20,000 and it's under 6,000 pounds dry? Well, I got something under 20 grand, under 5,000 pounds dry that can easily sleep a family of 6. Let's go check it out. So I don't know if you guys realize this, but I'm very particular about showing used RVs. A lot of our used inventory, our trade-ins, go to auction, but we have 2 used pieces that just came in and they are absolutely fantastic. So we're gonna take a look at this 224 BHW today from Jayco. It's 27 feet long. It's right under 5,000 pounds, something like that. I'll show you guys all those specs in a minute. But I wanted to show you guys this one because this was actually a really clean bunkhouse, okay? Ladder's already attached. Outside camp kitchen with the fridge, hand washing station, and storage. Tandem axle, of course. 2 wide solid surface steps stepping inside here. And what I really like about this one is there's no slide out. So if I was selling this to a family member or a friend, my biggest thing when it comes to used trailers is checking the roof and checking slides. But when you have a used piece of inventory that doesn't have a slide out, that's one last thing that you have to worry about being broken or not adequate, okay? So let's start in the front here. We have a queen size bed sitting in the front, north to south, 2 closets on either side, spot to mount a TV. We have a radio, if you will, to connect your phone to for the speakers that are inside and outside. And look, I just touched that speaker and the and the cover came off. But hey, you know, you're getting a used camper, right? What do you expect? Booth dinette. This turns into a bed. Now, if you have some kids, I could easily sleep 2 kids on there. If you have bigger adults, maybe you can only sleep 1 adult, right? But so far we have 2 adults here and 1 adult there, or maybe 2 kids there, okay? Full kitchen amenities. Now I'm going to show you the good, bad, and the ugly, right? Formaldehyde countertops mean what? You see how that's bubbly, kind of peeling right there? Now, is that necessarily, you know, preferred? No. Is it an eyesore? Sure, right? But all this formaldehyde means is that when I'm cooking, I can't take a hot pot and put it on the formaldehyde countertop. That's all that means, because I don't want to melt this material. That's it. But this is functional. I can still use this. That's not necessarily going to mean I'm not going to enjoy my camper. I'm not going to have less fun because the formaldehyde's bubbling up. Who cares? You know what I mean? Really cool little backsplash that they put on here. Big double-sided sink, 3-burner stovetop we just looked at, oven, microwave, hood vent, right? And you get a propane electric refrigerator. So everyone in my comment section that's always complaining about how the new trailers all have electrical, 12-volt electrical fridges. Well, guess what? You can spend 20 grand on this one and get that propane electric that you're used to seeing. 2 double-wide bunks, and I mean, these are big bunks, right? Again, I've got 3 kids. I could jam all of my kids in here. I could stuff my girls back there. I don't know, have my son here with his feet dangling off, or put my son up there, right? But again, if I'm a family of 6, mom and dad are there, maybe my girls are here, I could fit another 2 people back here, right? I could sleep 6 or maybe even 8 people, depending on, you know, how many, you know, adults and kids there are. Here in the restroom, medicine cabinet, vanity, storage underneath, stool with plenty of space on either side so you can sit comfortably. And I don't know if the video is going to do this shower justice, but if you look, this isn't a rectangle. This is a square. This is huge. I mean, like, look at my feet, right? I'm 6 feet tall. I'm 230 pounds. Plenty of space in the shower. Plenty of space in this restroom overall, right? And it's held up very well, right? We have our vent here, which works perfectly fine, right? Plenty of lighting. I don't see any soft spots and leaks and nastiness, you know what I mean? And then to end this little tour off, plenty of pantry space here, more space down there, and you get a little bit more pantry space here. 15K BTU Coleman Mach that is ducted and ventilated throughout the roof. You have an electric tongue jack and 2 big propane bottles, not the smaller, you know, not the smaller guys. And there's a couple of other cool features like side camera and backup camera prep, the spare tire, the Goodyear Endurance tires, and just to mention just how clean and well taken care of this trailer is. So look, my mentality is if you wouldn't sell it to your sister, don't sell it to a customer. And if I had a family member here or a close friend saying, hey, Victor, what used RV, because I'm on a budget, I have a $20,000 budget, I don't want to spend more than $200-300 a month. What do you have for me that's going to last a good while for me and my family to have fun in? It's going to be safe. This one right here. So if you're interested in this, if you're in Southern California and you're looking for a trailer to take you and your family out in, and you're limited on tow capacity, but you still need to sleep a lot of people, call me or text me, 760-559-6103. Reach out to me before you guys just come, right? So I can confirm availability, because this one is gonna sell quick, okay? To apply for financing, look at the link down below. Specs, dimensions, details. Again, all the links are gonna be in the description. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm trying to get in front of as many RV families like yourself as I can. Like the video, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this Jayco. You know, we're not a Jayco dealer, but I don't have any qualms with them. I'm not going to sit here and say it's a horrible brand, right? But this trailer came in, this pre-owned trailer came in, and you can tell the love that the previous family showed this trailer, and that's why it's sitting here on the front line. Links are in the description down below. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And with that being said, I'll see you guys on the next video.